This is Atlas Launch Control. We are now 2 hours, 32 minutes, 32 seconds away from the liftoff of the Juno spacecraft aboard an Atlas V rocket. Liftoff is from Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral. The forecast is essentially unchanged from what we've been watching all week. There is just a 30% chance of not meeting the launch weather criteria.
It takes everything we know to get off this planet. So while everything that NASA does and building the Juno spacecraft and exploring Jupiter is all high tech, I think a rocket launch represents the extreme of that edge.
The energy in the room on launch day is stressful, but in a good way. It's a good feeling. It's almost electric. Everybody's excited and nervous, and I've seen people before, biting their nails.
A rocket launch is one of the most amazing things to see. I mean, it's truly a cosmic event.
Go. ULA safety officer.
Go.
Range, weather, and final clear to launch.
Go. LC, LD, channel 1.
Go ahead.
LC, you have permission to launch.
Roger.
A launch is probably our single biggest risk in the entire mission.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff of the Atlas V with Juno on a trek to Jupiter, a planetary piece of the puzzle on the beginning of our solar system.
When you see it, the first thing that you're impressed with is just the amount of energy. You feel it because the ground is shaking and you're miles away and the waves are coming through the ground like an earthquake would.
Mach 1.
You're canceling gravity. Gravity's pulling you down. You've got to get to a certain speed, and then that's the escape velocity to leave the Earth.
Max Q. Boosters throttling up, right on schedule. Engine response looks good.
You're watching something going from one planet to another.
And we have solids 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 jettisoned. Visual indication that all solids have separated well. Current altitude is 45.8 miles. In altitude, downrange distance 69 miles, velocity 5,413 miles per hour. And we have payload fairing jettison and CFR jettison. We have retros and spacecraft separation. This concludes the plus count commentary for the AV-29 Juno mission.